Model, 2015 Ford Transit Connect Crew Cab, 230 runs and drives long, MOT needs brakes. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 198489. MOT, the 8th of November 2025. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCI 95 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. The ABS module will need looking at to get it back to perfect condition. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111